welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making a ham and Swiss panini. I got this from Pinterest, from grandmotherskitchen.org, and the link will be in the bottom below. If you've been following me for any length of time, you would know that ham and Swiss is one of my favorite flavor combinations, so I'm excited to show you guys how this turns out. So if you want to see, just keep watching and I'll get testing. I got going on my sandwiches with my Dijon sauce and my Swiss cheese. Then I put down a layer of ham, followed by a second layer of cheese, and then topped it with another lid of bread and sauce. And then I did that 4 more times to feed my family. And then I made a little tiny baby one for my daughter. And then I oiled my bread and put them on the panini, oiled the top, and I cooked 2 at a time for my particular panini press. Closed the lid and then waited until it was all bubbly and ooey gooey and golden brown. And then I just did that with the other 2. All right, so here's the panini when it's all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Oh, so hot. Oh my gosh, it's so greasy. It's like spot on. Perfect amount of mayo and Dijon. I wish I had the spicy Dijon, but this is still phenomenal. I would rate this 10 out of 10. This is super easy, super delicious. I definitely give this a thumbs up, and I hope you do too. And let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner here. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.